So guys, this is my little space that I want to kind of transform into a sewing room. Now, let's first pull some measurements. This is smaller than the average American household bedroom. We've got 9 foot 3 inches, 7 foot 8 inches. So small space here, and this is what I want to do with this room. Let's put some new paint on the walls. Let's get a nice area rug. Not only that, let's put in some brand new cabinets. I'm talking sewing cabinets, not just something from Home Depot, brand new sewing cabinets, a new sewing machine. Over here, I'm thinking ironing and cutting station, and I'm going to do all of this under $5,000. Now, a lot of people are going to say, whoa, Teancum, there's better ways you can do this. You can cut out costs, this, that, and the other. I'm talking about everything being under $5,000. Brand new sewing machine, brand new cabinets, and we're not just going to put in some rinky-dink thing. We're going to put in nice equipment, very, very nice studio. So first thing that we're going to do, let's go get some paint and then paint these walls. So I'm going with a light gray here. Anyone wants this gray? This is bare classic silver. Reason why we've gone with this is everything in this room is going to be white. White furniture, white everything. So I just want something, I still want the room to be bright and light, but I need something different than white. So a light gray is the best option there, and it matches the floor that you can't see right now. So let's get on to painting. So right here, we're going to put in some wonderful floating shelving units. They'll be super pretty. And on this side, I like to put in some of those cubby units. You guys know what I'm talking about. They're like 12 by 12 little cubbies, just to give us a little bit of storage here, making the room really, really clean and bringing some white back into the room. So, here's here. So guys, as you can see, we've installed our shelving units. I've got my drawers down here as well. Got the shelves on the other side. Now it's time to go pick out some cabinets. Now we have a full video on how to pick out cabinets that will be linked down in the description below. But I'm gonna go get them, bring them here, and we'll show you kind of the final reveal. So as you can tell, we've been able to completely transform this 5x7 room into a beautiful sewing studio. Let us know down in the comments below what you would do in your room or any tips and tricks you may have. So guys, we hope you loved this video and we'll see you on the next one.